Hi there, my name is Sharjeel Khan, and today I'll be talking about how Sketch Like the Pros has helped me improve so much in life and getting amazing at product designing. First of all, I would like to say that I'm 13 and I'm turning 14 next month, and I'm from Canada. So, this course has helped me a lot. In the beginning, I was really confused on how this course could really help me. But once I decided to take a chance in this course, it has helped me so much, and I've improved in my future career because I really like the concept of product designing, coming up with ideas for new products coming into the market. And I believe that this way of learning can really help your innovation. And it's not always about the age because I'm really young and I can still do it. And I had a great time doing this course because of the teacher and the way the course presents itself. In the beginning, I felt really confused at the beginning of learning this process, but soon I started getting more comfortable with practicing, and I saw myself improving every single day. Though there's challenges that you could talk with your fellow classmates, and I felt really well and getting better at everything. So by the end of the course, Sketch Like the Pros, it helped me so much, and I saw myself improve so much. And my product designing went from to another level. People were amazed by how I could create products extremely fast by the techniques that I learned in this course, because it teaches you about the right hand postures and everything, and it really was a great course to learn.